Hey everybody, Stephen here from Small Business Extreme. Today I've come across a fantastic piece of software that'll help you track where your listing is in Google Places. Now this is once you've worked out how to get in there and how to actually start advertising, and you've watched the rest of the videos in the series, you need to come across and watch this one, which talks about Local Rank Tracker. This is a very simple piece of software that's only just come out. They're currently building in new features. It's only going to improve, but at the moment the beta software is free. Now this might have changed. Do let me know if it has, and I'll update this video. But it is a very cool piece of software that allows you to do this without having to go in and check. So what I'm gonna suggest, I'm gonna show you right now. So say we're in google.co.nz. I'm gonna type in Auckland dentist. Very creative, I know. And we're gonna look in here and see Blockhouse Bay Dental is near the top, Mount Eden Dental Surgery, etc. Now this is in New Zealand where I'm based. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this software. Now it's cool. As you can see, it's pretty simple, pretty basic, but they've built it across an Adobe Air, so it allows it to work on Mac and PC. I'm sure everyone likes the idea. Now, if you're doing local business listings and you need to actually track where you are for different keywords, this makes life a lot easier. So what I've done is in Local Rank Tracker, I've selected .co.nz, but you can select any country in the world. You can also select the depth it looks, because there can be up to 300 listings, give or take, maybe a few more. But if you're not in the top 300, it's not really worth it. So you're hoping you're in the 100, if not 300 at the worst. Now the next thing you need to do is the first time you do this, you need to go into the listing in the Places page, if you click on this, and you need to look for the CID number. Now the easiest way to get this is to click on the link, which is up here, and it says CID equals 4063. So the easiest thing to do is to copy that into a little file here, a little text document. Copy the CID number and just add it into the tracking. You don't really need to know what this is, but it's basically the listing number. Now what I would do is if you're doing quite a few business listings, say you got 10 or even 1 or 2, just keep this in a text file, a CID number, with the name of the business to the right of it, so you can track that business and what it's doing. You can also then keep in that tracking the actual keywords. So this means instead of having to search, if you've got all the CID numbers down and the keywords, you can just jam them in one by one and type in, and you can check them out. So for example, this is Mount Eden Dental Surgery. So I could type in dentist, and we can check. It is position number 3. Is that correct? Does everyone remember? Yes, it is. So 1, 2, 3. If I was to go in and check another one, it might be different. But instead of dentist, we could go oral surgery and give it a check. It comes up in position 23. This is a very good way of checking exactly where the Google Places listing is. And this is an absolutely free tool. You'll see this pop up below. And if you're watching this through the Small Business Extreme training program, you'll see a link on the actual page where you can go and download the software, and I hope it stays free for a little while. Give the guy feedback. He's Australian. Seems like a nice enough guy, but I'll show you where it is exactly. I've got a bookmark saved among so many for this, but it's a fantastic little tool, and I'll send you this link. As I say, you'll see this below. There'll be a video on how to use it on his side, but I've pretty much given you the 100% way of doing it. So I hope this helps, and I hope this helps with tracking. Now I'm showing you this video, guys. This is what I'm thinking of doing for the actual Small Business Extreme training. So let me know if you like this, and this kind of information is going to help you and give you what you need to know. So I hope that helps. See you.